Welcome, dear students, to Standard 9th Algebra, Chapter 7, Statistics, Part 4. Learned about making a group data where we have small groups, which is called class. The class limit, that is the end values of the classes, the lower limit and upper class limit. We have learned about frequency, that is the total number of observation in each group is called the frequency. We have learned about class width or class size, that is the upper limit minus lower limit is known as class height. The class width should always be same and it is also called the height of the class. Practice set 7.3, question number 3 onwards. Here the question is, if class mark is 10 and class width is 6, then find the class. Let the upper class limit be x and lower class limit be y. It is given in the question as class mark is equal to 10. Now the formula for class mark is lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. That is 10 will be equal to x plus y upon 2. We have x plus y is equal to 10 into 2, that is 20, which will be equation number 1. Now we have class width is equal to 6. So class width is found out by subtracting the lower class limit from the upper class limit. That is x minus y is equal to 6. Adding equation number 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 20 and x minus y is equal to 6. So this y and y will be cancelled. We have 2x is equal to 26. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Now, x is equal to 13. We substitute in equation number 1. Therefore, we get 13 plus y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 13, which will be equal to 7. Therefore, the required class is 7 to 13. The lowest class limit is 7 and upper class limit is 13. 4. Complete the following table. The classes, which is in age 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15 and 15 to 16. The tally marks are a set of 5, that is 5, frequency will be 5, 13 to 14 will be 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, that is 14, 14 to 15 is not given, we have to find out, so let it be x, 15 to 16 is 4, total frequency summation f is equal to 35. Now we complete the table, that is frequency we will write as 5. From class 13 to 14, it is 14, 14 to 15, we have to find, and 15 to 16 is 4. Let the frequency of class 14 to 15 be x. So, from the table, we have the number of frequencies, that is 5 plus 14 plus x plus 4 is equal to 35. Total frequency is 35. Now, when we add up on the left side, we get 19 plus 4, that is 23, plus x is equal to 35. So, therefore, x is equal to 35 minus 23. Therefore, x is equal to 12. So, the frequency in the class 14 to 15 is 12. Question number 5. In a tree plantation project of a certain school, there are 45 students of Harit Sena. The record of the trees planted by each student is given in the question. We have to prepare a frequency distribution table of the data. So number of trees, 3 trees. The number of students planted 3 trees are 10. Number of students planting 4 trees are 11. Number of students planted 5 trees are 11. Then number of trees, 6 trees planted by 7 students and 6 students planted 7 trees. So total frequency is 45. We have to use this tally marks for doing this sum. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. 3.141592653 up to 10. From this information, prepare an ungrouped frequency distribution table of digits appearing after the decimal points. So, in this question, we will not count 3, which is before the decimal. We have to count the numbers from 141 up to 10. Now, 0 digit is appearing 2 times in the digits given above. Digit 1 is appearing 5 times. Digit 2 is appearing 5 times. Similarly, we have 3 appearing 8 times, 4 appearing 4 times, 5 appearing 5 times, 6 appearing 4 times, 7 appearing 4 times, 8 appearing 5 times, and 9 appearing 8 times. Total frequency is equal to 50. Table given below, the class mark and frequency is given. Construct the frequency tables taking inclusive and exclusive classes. The first question, class marks are given as 5, 15, 25, 35 and frequencies are given as 3, 9, 15, 13. Solve the first question. Let the lower class limit and upper class limit of class mark be 5, be x and y. So class mark formula is given as lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. So value we will keep of class mark as 5 is equal to x plus y upon 2. Cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to 10. Let this be equation number 1. Here class width is 10. So we have 15 minus 5, 10. The class width is formula as upper class limit minus lower class limit. So it is y minus x is equal to 10. Interchanging the position of x and y, we get minus x plus y is equal to 10. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 10 and minus x plus y is equal to 10. Cancelling x and minus y, we get 2y is equal to 20. Therefore, y is equal to 10. The value of y is equal to 10 in equation 1, we get x plus 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to 0. Now, the class with class mark 5 is equal to 0 to 10. Similarly, we can find the remaining classes and frequency table for exclusive classes will be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Now to find the inclusive class means the classes are disjoint. So we will subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and subtract 0.5 from the upper limit. So we get here 0.5 to 9.5. Then subtract, adding 0.5 to the lower limit, we get 10.5, and subtracting 0.5 from upper limit, we get 19.5. So the class will be 10.5 to 19.5. Similarly, for the third class, adding 0.5 to the lower limit, we get 20.5, and 0.5 subtracting from the upper limit, we get 29.5. Similarly, the last class will be 30.5 to 39.5. Now we will be let the lower class limit and upper class limit of class mark be x and y. So class mark is taken as lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2, cross multiplying with class mark 22 multiplied with 2, we get 44 is equal to x plus y. Let it be equation number 1. Now class width is given as 24 minus 22 is equal to 2. The formula for class width is upper class limit minus lower class limit. So we get y minus x is equal to 2. Interchanging the position of x and y, we get minus x plus y is equal to 2. So x plus y is equal to 44 is equation number 1, and minus x plus y is equal to 2 is equation number 2. Solving both the equations, we get x and minus x will be cancelled. Y plus y is equal to 2y is equal to 44 plus 2, 46. Dividing by 2, we get y is equal to 23. Substituting the value of y is equal to 23 in equation 1, we get x plus 23 is equal to 44. Therefore, x is equal to 21. Now, class with class mark 22 is 21 to 23. Similarly, we can find the remaining classes, that is exclusive classes we can find is 21 to 23. Next class will be 23 to 25, then 25 to 27, and 27 to 29. So inclusive class, that means the disjoint classes will be add 0.5 to the lower limit, we get 21.5, and subtract 0.5 to the upper limit, we get 22.5. So the first class will be 21.5 to 22.5. Similarly, the second class will be 23.5 to 24.5. Then 25.5 to 26.5, and 27.5 to 28.5. In a school, 46 students of standard 9 were told to measure the length of the pencils in their compass boxes in centimeters. The data collected are as given below. We have to find exclusive class with frequency, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. We have to prepare a grouped frequency distribution table. We will be using this frequency table by tally marks. So 0 to 5, we got 5 students. 5 to 10, we got 20 students. 10 to 15, we got 15 students. And 15 to 20, we got 6 students. Total 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 6 is 36. So this is the frequency table using the tally marks.
Question number 9. In a village, the milk was collected from 50 milkmen at a collection center in liters as given below. The liters are 27, 75, 5, 99, 70, 12, 15 as follows till 35. By taking suitable classes, we have to prepare a grouped frequency table. Now in this question, they have not given which class to be taken. So according to us, we will take the class from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100, since the lowest level is 5 and the highest is 99. So in the first class we will be writing the frequency using the tally marks, and we have got 12. In second class 20 to 40 we have got the frequency, that is 15. From 40 to 60 we have got the frequency, that is 5 plus 4 9. 60 to 80 we have got 5 plus 3 8, and 80 to 100 we have got 5 plus 1 6. Total frequency, that is total number of milkmen, when we add it up we get 50. So this is the frequency table of grouped data when an ungrouped data is given.
Question number 10. 38 people donated to an organization working for different abled persons. The amount in rupees were as follows: 101, 500, 401, 201, 301, 160, 210, as follows till 100. By taking suitable class, that is 100 to 149, 150 to 199, 200 to 249, prepare a grouped frequency table. So 100 to 149 is 7 people, 150 to 199 is 10 people, 200 to 249 is 3 people. Similarly, we have to find the frequency using the tally marks. Now, after making the table, the second question we have to write that find the number of people who donated rupees 350 or more. That means the people who had donated for more than 350 is 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 11 people has donated more than 350 rupees.
Now let us have a recap of what we have learned in this module. We have learned to make a grouped frequency table from an ungrouped frequency table. We have learned how to make the class. We have also learned class limit, tally marks and frequency. We completed here practice set 7.3. Thank you, students.